Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to talk about arithmetic operator in Python. So all you know, arithmetic operators are plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus, and we have square, so we can actually write like this. And now let's say I want to comment out it, so I will say hash here. And now let's go for the first one. Let's say I have a number and I will say that number is equal to 0, and I want to say number oops, not like this, so I will say number 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 is equal to number plus 1. If I print the number, you can see the value will be 1. So this is the plus operator, arithmetic operator. Okay, and now let's go for the second one. Let's say negative value. Okay, plus, minus. Okay, so now let's go here and say number equal to number minus 1, and I'm going to print it in the value. Let's say number. Okay, the number will be now 0. Here you can see 0. Why? Because the first of all number was 0, and then we have added it and then print it, so the value will be 1. Okay, value will be 1. And here when I say number equal to number minus 1, so the current value of the number variable is 1. So 1 minus 1 is equal to, I'll say value not here really, I will go to the next line and I will say the output will be value will be 0. Why? Because of 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now let's go here and let's say that number is equal to, now I will say 10, and I will say that number is equal to number divided by 5. So the output will be 2 here. Value will be 2. If I run it, now you can see 2. Okay, now let's say I will say number is equal to, let's say 5. Now I will say number is equal to number into 5. If we print it, the value will be 25. Here you can see 25. Now let's go for the modulus. So I will say here number is equal to number divided by not really, I will say modulus, right? So modulus, let's say I want to say here, let's say 7. Okay, so what will be the output? Now let's print it, say number. So here the value will be so 25 by 7, sorry, 7 by 25. Okay, so 25 will be divided by the 7 at first, so 3 into 7 is 21. So here the value will be 4. Okay, if I execute it, now you can see 4. Okay, now let's go for the square. Let's say the number is now 4, right? So I will say number is equal to number square, let's say 2. So the value will be 4 square, it means 16. So I want to print it, the number value will be now, the value will be 16. If I run it, now you can see the result is 16, right? Okay, so that's it. These are the arithmetic operators. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.